Hi everyone, my name is Jeannie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing and quick review overview of the Fire HD8 tablet Kids Edition. So if you are interested in knowing a little bit more about this product, just stay with me. So this tablet is really designed with kids in mind. I will read you a few of the specs and then we will open the box. So the Fire HD8 tablet has a powerful quad-core processor with a vibrant HD display, stereo speakers, dual cameras, USB-C port and a micro SD slot for up to 1 terabyte of expandable storage, which is very nice. Plus 1 year of Amazon Free Time Unlimited, a kid-proof case with adjustable stand, and a 2-year worry-free guarantee. Actually, this is one of the reasons why I bought this tablet. Is because when you buy it, you have a 2-year warranty free, as it's mentioned on the box. And if anything happens to this tablet, you just return it to Amazon and they will exchange it for free and they won't ask you any questions. So it can be smashed by a hammer, by anything thrown into the water. They don't ask any question, they just send you another one for free. So this is pretty amazing. So let's open the box together. So this is the box, as I said. So I bought 2 units. I bought one for my niece and one for my nephew. They are brothers and sisters. And I have to admit that I thought it was a little bit sad that they didn't have more colors. They only had pink or blue. And neither of my niece or nephews are really into pink or blue. They would have preferred probably orange, yellow, or just any other color. So anyway, as I didn't want to have both the same colors, I did pick a pink and a blue one. I'm sure they will be very happy anyway, but I just thought, like as a side note, I would mention that it would be nice to have more color options. So the tablet comes in a little plastic wrap like this. Let's open it. So this is the tablet that we have right here, and I want to mention that I already opened it before to configure the device. This is the stand that you have right here. You open like this. This is a hard shell stand, but the rest of the case is not hard shell. It is more like, I would say, a hard, like semi-rigid silicone, and it's kind of bouncy, so it seems pretty sturdy. So if you drop it on the floor or anything, I'm pretty sure that the tablet will resist. It seems to be a very good protection for the tablet. So we have here on the side the controls for the volume and the play button, and we also have the USB-C hole here to charge the tablet. And we have here on the front 2 speakers. So let's see what we have also in the box. You have here the little name, and in this other compartment here we have the USB-C type cable for charging, and also a wall plug here, a wall adapter. So I did already configure the 2 tablets, the 2 units that I bought for my niece and nephew, because I wanted the units to be ready for them to use when I will give it to them. I didn't want their parents to have to set it up and, to give them this, this task to do. So I have a little experience with it, so I can say that it's extremely easy to set up. You just have to connect to your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you have to create one for yourself. And once you're into your Amazon profile, you just connect it with the tablet. And then this is actually the same tablet as the adult tablet, except you can add children's profile in there, so you can also use it as a parent. You can go into your profile, the adult profile, and you can read your Kindle, all your books. You can access your Amazon account and everything else you want with this device. Then you just have to switch over to the kids profile, and you can set all kinds of games that you can download for them, books. There's an amazing choice of books, of games, educational program for them. So I think this is a pretty amazing tablet for the price. I paid on a special $139 on Amazon, and I think it is still on a special also at a few other stores like Best Buy and other stores like this for a few days still for $139, and it's a discount of $40, I think. So I think it is a pretty good buy. And I'm not the kind of person who would necessarily buy a tablet for a kid. I would prefer them to go outside and play. But with this tablet, you have the parental control, and you can set the time and the hours that you want your kids to be able to play with it. So if you don't want to just like when they wake up in the morning and just turn on the tablet and play all day long, you can put the parental control and to put specific time slot for them to be able to access the tablet. Also, you have a PIN number, so they cannot access, they cannot make any changes in the tablet. So I think this is a big plus for parents. They can have like a free mind, and the kids can just play with the tablet when the parents decide it, and it's already entered into the tablet. So all in all, I think that this is a great buy if you want your kid to be able to read some books in this, and it's of course for free. You have tons of programs in there, as I said, books, you have Lego games, you have all kinds of stuff that you want. And it also comes, when you buy this kids edition, it also comes with, I will tell you, it's written here, you have an Amazon 1 year Amazon free time unlimited subscription, and you can renew after 1 year for a few dollars. And this is amazing because you have all kinds of great movies, Disney, and all kinds of stuff that is for free already inside the tablet. And after downloading a few programs, if ever the tablet is full, because it's only 32 gigabytes in there that you can download, you can always add a micro SD card to add up to 1 terabyte to upload more content. So anyway, all in all, I'm pretty excited about this gift that I will give to my niece and nephew, and I'm really excited to see their reaction when they will get this. So thanks for watching today, and let me know, do you have such a tablet? Is it something you're contemplating? Do you have any more questions? So if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask them to me, write them down below, and I will be very happy to answer you. Okay, thank you again. Bye bye.